So there's Juneau with one of her fetch toys. Nice big solid oak branch. And while she's doing that, I'm gonna take a little snack. So this is a jar full of pickled beets canned by my aunt in '06. And one of my pet peeves is people who waste food and live their lives around expiration dates. Total bull crap. '06 beets, perfect. Seal perfect. And perfect to eat. A nice post rollerblading fermented food on the porch of the home I grew up in. The home that my dad built with his own hands. It's so nice and sunny here on Christmas Day. Is that good? She just realized I'm eating. She'll probably come over and want some beets. Fetch it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Fetch it. Fetch it. Bring it here. Come on, bring it here. She always likes to bring the biggest piece she can grab. Fetch it. There you go. Good. Here, I can't quite reach it. Drop it. Drop it. Hey, sit. 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 No, sit. 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 That's not really sitting. That's fake sitting. No. No, sit. This is going to be hard to throw with one hand. Ah! Ooh, right on her head. Wood stove smoke wafting through the air. Merry Christmas. From mine to yours.